Colya Beniba, the Dream River Skill, Plummy Resort, Beniba, Cebu. Tiboli language po yun, ang ibig sabihin, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to the Dream River Skill, the new resort here in Lake Cebu. We are pure-blooded Tiboli. We are here to present the different Tiboli musical instruments and the dances of our tribe. This is how we can entertain you and welcome all of you. We welcome you all. Welcome to the Dream River Seal. So the first instrument is called Tanongong, or a wooden drum, made from the skin of a deer. Playing signifies during wedding ceremonies, festivals, and rituals. That was the sound of the Nova. And now, some of Tiboli dances. The first dance is called Madantaku, or a true dance, a dance imitated from Calaban, a sister of Tiboli legendary hero named Tugulul de Madanta.
Dalawang. Sarang ako.